Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the power mode in Visual Studio Code. So you have to do like this. Go to extension, search here like power mode. Okay. So you can see that this is the extension. You have to install. Tap on the install here and go to like these settings, then extension settings. You can see. So now you have to do like this. First, you have to enable this. Click on this like this. So this is the main amazing things. This is the default things that particles will be shown. So my favorite one is fireworks. I have selected the fireworks. You can try this also. And now keep this as it is. No change will be made here. No need to change. So you have to change one setting here like this. You have to uncheck this here. Scroll down, then find this option, and now you have to uncheck this button. Okay, so this is the main part. You have to do that. So look at the settings carefully and copy as it is from my video. Follow my video only, don't have to look another one. Okay, so now we're going to see the output here. So this is the code you have to write. See how amazing is this. You can see here 5x. This is the thing while like we are typing, so they are counting my typing. Okay, you see the fireworks, how beautiful it is. So you have to change the settings here. If you don't like this, like here, you can use flames. Now see, flames are coming. So you can change magic. Okay, so this is the magic effect. Okay, so let's look at around clippy. So this is the clippy part. Okay, you see how interesting. So another thing is simple rift. Okay, so now we are going to see, yeah, this is the effect, special effect. Okay, so you can also use that, no problem, no matter what. How is they. This is actually amazing. You see Dragon Ball effect. Oh, nice, very cool. So everything is okay. So follow my video, and no problem, if you have any inquiry or query, you can comment on my video, no problem. So if you want to remove these 191x like this corner part, you see, if you try to remove this, so go to setting again. Now you have to do one magical thing, that is, you can see timeout. Okay, just keep it is 0. Okay, if you turn into 0, you can, oh no, sorry, I made a mistake. Wait for me. Why is that setting? I have to search here, man. Timer enabled. I think. Oh, here is the culprit. So you have to add it, clear the tree, and you have to add only 0. If you like the text, you can reset here. Okay, if you made any mistake, okay, I am teaching you one thing, that if you made any mistake, you wanted to set it into default setting. Okay, if you turn back into default setting, you like this, hover here or click on the mouse here, like this. You have to click on this more action button and reset setting button. You can back on the previous setting. Okay, so don't worry about the if you made any mistake, if you may mistakenly changed something like this. Okay, so you can just have to only click on that button here and reset setting, like this. Boom, it's vanished. Okay, so don't worry about anything. If you have any question, you can comment down below. No problem, I will try my best to help you. Okay, so this is my today's tutorial. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care. Don't forget to share and subscribe and to hit the like button. Okay, so tata, bye bye, wish you all the best.